Hello, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. We provide you with information to help you build your personal finances, build your personal credit, and when applicable, build your business credit. This video is about your personal finances. Now, when's the last time you went to the dentist? Or if you went to the dentist, did you go back? Do you require a costly procedure? Does your insurance only cover a fraction of what you need done? Or perhaps you don't have insurance at all? Well, I need to let you know dental insurance is not what it used to be. So you're going to have to subsidize it in some type of way. Now, a lot of people use Care Credit or ATM. All right. So if you have a credit score of 600 and up, then that's good. But what if you have a lower score? What if your scores are like in the low sixes or in the fives or even in the fours? It happens. It happens. I'm getting a lot of dental work done right now. And you know what? Dental health doesn't care what your credit score is. It doesn't care how old you are. Dental care needs to be addressed. And this is a way that you can address it. This is a way that you can do it. And hopefully I can, this information that I'm sharing with you will be of, some value to you. I've been wanting to do this for a very, very long time, but time is right. So here we go. 4 dental loans that won't check your credit. How can you get a loan for dental work with poor credit? Well, here's 4 options. Okay. My disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any of these companies. I'm not an affiliate. I do not receive any compensation whatsoever, any exchanges, gifts, nada. I have just done extensive research in this area. And for my own personal reasons, like last year and this year, I'm starting to get work done. Now, while I can finance it this year, last year, I was in this situation. And I know how it feels to need dental work done and you can't afford it. I know how it feels to need a root canal, have a toothache, need implants, caps. It's endless. So let me share what I found, okay? So, iCare Financial. Now, iCare Financial offers instant approval on dental loans up to $20,000. Now, as a patient, you will need to confirm that the dental practitioner offers iCare financing, and if they don't, you have to find one that does. Now, instead of undergoing a credit check, you'll pay 30% of the cost plus administrative fee and an application fee and connect an active checking account. That seems like a lot. But still, you know what? Put a pin in it and check it out, okay? Because we don't know what the administrative fee is. We don't know what the application fee is, but this is something you can conduct your due diligence. If you can get past that 30%, well, check it out and see. All right. The next one is a little better. This is Simple Pay Dental. Simple Pay also offers a no credit financing solution for dental work. Again, the first step is to find a dentist that offers this plan. Once you do, all you have to do is pay a one-time enrollment fee and a monthly recurring transaction fee. Aside from these, there are no interest fees. Again, you want to check this out. Don't get desperate and just jump on it. Check it out because, again, this one-time enrollment fee and this monthly recurring transaction fee, we don't know what that is, so you want to find out, okay? Conduct your due diligence. Ortho Bank. Okay, I guess this is some I guess it was Jefferson Dental Care of Texas partnered with Arthobank to help its patients make interest-free payments on orthodontic treatments or braces. So patients can instantly get approved without a credit check. All you have to do is make a small down payment and connect an active account or debit card. Now this sounds a little better, but we don't know what the small down payment is. But it's not a lot of other fees. Providers in your area who partner with Arthobank may be able to help you afford the cost. Interested? Okay. And of course, here's one. Here's the final one. Local dentists with payment plans. Most dental offices have their own payment programs, which may include office payment plans. So that's something that you want to check out. Many offices nowadays offer a in-house discount plan to help patients without insurance afford care. Plans are usually around $200 to $300 per year and include routine preventive care. Plus, patients usually receive a discount on any work the patient may need. Yeah, this is a plan. This is not like insurance or anything like that. So I don't know, but you still can check with your dentist to see if you can make payments. Well, hopefully this information is helpful. It is 5:03 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Miss Janet is out. But before I leave, please press the like button if this information has been informative, and make a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Hey, talk to you in a couple of days. Miss Janet out. Miss Janet out. Miss Janet out.